Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a walk from Park MGM Casino all the way to Aria. Now the whole walkway we've got going on here is really nice, and compared to some of the walkways that you get from some casinos to other casinos, they're a little bit grotty, a little bit manky. But this one's actually one of the nicer ones. I would like to say that Park MGM is one of the more upper class hotels, but obviously it's not as upper class as somewhere like the Bellagio. But walking through here is pleasant. In the middle of summer, it's a nice way to get from one property to another. Conference Centre is here on the right, and up ahead is the pool area. To the left is where the check-in desk is for Park MGM, just down there. And just round the corner here, the walkway continues. Another conference centre. So back when this was the Monte Carlo, many years ago, I don't think it existed quite like this. It was a little bit, not worse for wear. Got a chandelier there, and just down there, very nice. But it was a little different. It's certainly improved since the days of Monte Carlo, and it is a nice walkway between. Doesn't take too long to get from Park MGM all the way to Aria. And once you get to Aria, you can easily get to Vdara. And once you reach Vdara, easy access to the Cosmopolitan and the Bellagio. To the left here is the pool complex. Obviously, with it being nighttime now, it's closed. Nobody's out there. It's just a nice, pleasant walk down here, to be honest. They do keep it clean and tidy, which is always nice to see. So there's a sign there. It says tram to Bellagio. You can indeed get the tram, but it is entirely possible to walk all the way to Bellagio through tunnels, well, walkways, hallways, whatever you want to call them. Random artwork on the wall and up ahead as well. And I'm just going to say the carpet stops there for some bizarre reason rather than carry on. I'm not entirely sure why. And then resumes right here. A seat right there. And although it looks like it is a swing bench, it is not a swing bench. Don't try and swing on it. To the left is the elevator up to the tram platform. And strangely enough, you do have to go outside to get to it. Up this way, we have some escalators, and you can see at the top it says Aria Resort and Casino, as well as tram to Crystals at Vdara and Bellagio. There's a gentleman walking down the stairs. I'm not quite sure why, when you may as well take the escalator. Who knows? Maybe just wants to stretch his legs. So through these doors is how you get to the Aria Resort and Casino, one of the nicer casinos in Vegas. And as we head through here, the parking garage for Aria is just on the right. And we also have the escalators or an elevator down into Aria. Just to the left here is how we get to the Aria. So this walk has taken us less than 5 minutes. Just a nice casual walk. So if you were walking from Park MGM to Aria, or indeed from Aria to Park, it would take you less than 5 minutes. It's a very nice walk. Fully air conditioned as well. here we are at the Aria. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.